Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding humility. How do we go from arrogance to humility? First, let's recognize arrogance as fault proof, doesn't listen, interrupts, wants to be right, doesn't see differently, pushes point through, shows frustration soon, avoids accountability, and creates a fear culture. And humility as admits mistakes, listens to understand, gives space, has an open mind, embraces differences, allows ideas to emerge, demonstrates patience, takes ownership, and builds a learning culture. Humility is the solid foundation of all virtues. One might say humility begins with taking responsibility while maintaining accountability. Exercising the right to be wrong is valuable and shows strength, not weakness. But without humility, little progress can be made, as humility is the road to good character. Good character is the way to good leadership, and good leadership fosters positive relationships and better outcomes. Humility is one of the greatest qualities a person could have, while arrogance is undoubtedly one of the worst. So be humble. Enjoy the day.